Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of paper plane folding. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to improve your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you master the art of paper plane folding. We'll take you through the basics of selecting the right paper, understanding the different folds, and creating various plane designs. You'll learn how to create the classic dart design, the soaring glider, and even some more advanced models that will make your paper plane stand out from the crowd. Not only is paper plane folding a fun and entertaining activity, but it also has many benefits. It can help to improve your hand-eye coordination, spatial awareness, and concentration. Plus, it's a great way to bond with friends and family, or even compete in paper plane challenges. So, if you're ready to take your paper plane folding skills to the next level, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's get started!